Hi everybody, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. Quick video today. I received a package and I haven't been this excited to open up a package for a long time. So what I have here today is from Rupes. It's actually from Assess Garage, but it's boxed by Rupes. So let's get it open. Alright, so if you ever get one of these, don't cut too deep on the tape because you'll scratch the top of your box. There's no piece of cardboard there. So, really I don't have any comments on the packing, it was fine. But it's packaged by Rupes obviously and not by OG. The box is thin and there's no nothing on top. So this is the Rupes Nano with iBrid, and this is what they call the systainer kit. The systainer kit includes a whole bunch of accessories and things out of the box. So, oh, there's actually a guide here with all of the stuff that's included. That's interesting. Okay. So we get the long neck Nano, a charger. I believe there's 2 rechargeable battery packs. There's this AC to DC adapter, so you can actually plug it into the wall with that instead of using one of the battery packs. Rotary functional unit, orbital functional unit, and a 3mm functional unit. Nylon brush, soft and hard, medium brush, some different backing plates. There's a 2-inch, there's an 1.25 inch, there's an 1.25 inch for sanding blocks, a couple sanding discs. They give you some polishing compounds, some different pads, so I'll kind of go through and look at all of it. This is available as a systainer kit, which that's what this is, and it's like $650. Or you can buy just the unit itself, which is like $440. So it's about $200 difference to get the systainer kit. And originally I was going to buy just the unit and then add on the pads that I wanted and things, because some of the pads and sanding discs and things that are in here I don't necessarily think I need. But when you buy the unit by itself, it only comes with one functional unit, which I believe is the 12mm orbit, not the rotary or the 3mm. And watching the Rupes videos on how to use this thing, the rotary functional unit seems to be the one that I'm probably going to use the most often. That would be what you would use with the 1.25 inch foam pads. So I did also order these, which came last week. So these are the white Rupes pads in 1.25 inch, and this is a Lake Country microfiber pad in 1.25 inch. These come as a 5-pack or 6-pack. These come individually, and I just want to try that out. So there's some microfiber cloths in here. Oh, well, that's interesting. So I ordered one of these, but didn't realize that I include one in the kit. Okay. Oh crap, that was a waste. That's... So we have 2 battery packs. 1, 2. Actually, just pull this whole foam tray out. So there's a charger. There's a rotary unit. There's a pair of battery packs. They have protectors on them. They look a lot like Milwaukee battery packs. The setup is similar. Okay. There's speed settings on the side. Cool. I don't know if it's blinking at me because the battery's dead. I have to read the manual to figure that out. So we've got 2 battery packs. Then, in the bottom of the kit, there's an instruction manual. There's our starter pack of abrasive discs. There's info about the battery pack. A whole bunch of manuals here. on all the different gear. There's an accessories case, which has the drive units. So there's the 12mm drive unit. There's the 3mm drive unit. There's a rotary drive unit. And then these are the different backing plates, and this looks to be a tool for changing everything. There are brushes. So there are 2 brushes here, which is interesting because they show, I guess it only comes with 2. They have 3 different ones. Okay. Then there's a pack of blue. So these are the, these would be like the microfiber. They're cutting pads. So they've got those in 1 1/4 and in 2.5 inch. And then they have the yellow pads, which are kind of the standard polishing pads, in both sizes again. It comes with 2 different compounds. There's a coarse compound and a fine compound. So try those out. And we have our fine polishing pads. So and there's also this guy, which is the power cord if you want to just use this without a battery. You can put this like that and plug it into the wall. So truthfully, this I probably won't use very much, because from what I understand, the batteries last something like 25 minutes and they charge in something like 20 minutes. So I'll probably just plug this in inside my cabinet and kind of always have a battery charged. So that's that. Plug one of these batteries in. So red means charging, green means good. All right. So it's pretty cool. I'm excited to try it out. I expect that most often I'm going to be using the either this neck or the standard rotary connection. Okay, so we put that in there. Then there's a button on the back, and you use this wrench to tighten it. Okay, that's tight. And then there are different backing plates. So this would be the small one. You just kind of thread that on there. Okay, so we've got our backing plate installed. Then it does seem like it could be a little bit difficult to remove, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. That's how they designed it. And then we can put a pad on. So let's try one of these white pads. Cool. Sweet. Cool. Well, obviously I need to let it charge up a bit, but yeah, pretty excited about it. So we'll get to try it here. I'll give a review in a later video and show what it's all about, what I like and don't like. I expect from watching the videos that I'll be using it in this configuration most often, or with that black long attachment. Okay, so that's clear then. So this doesn't screw into that. Instead, this gets removed and replaced with that. So I'll probably most often be using it with this. You know, the intention of this tool is to use it for polishing edges, for edge work. So this would be things that are less than 3 inches wide. So like the top portion of the mirror here, these sections underneath the headlights, this type of stuff, or these door handles, especially like these deeper door handles, you can use with that neck to kind of get the thing in there. So it'll just give me the ability to get a little bit further into detailing and, you know, kind of improve my abilities. And it's my first Rupes, and you know, Rupes is supposed to be the best, so I'm pretty excited to try it and see what it's all about. And who knows, maybe I'll be unimpressed. Maybe I'll be replacing my my current what are they? Automagic? No, they're Max Shine. Yeah, maybe I'll replace my Max Shine polishers with a full Rupes setup in the future. Or maybe I'll buy a 5-inch. So I think the next thing that I would like to get would be a 3-inch that is cordless. Because generally when you're using a 5-inch, you're doing a whole car, a whole panel, you're doing something large, so having that corded isn't really a big deal. But the 3-inch you pick up for like little things like bumpers and stuff like that, and going back and forth between the two on the cord is kind of annoying. So I think a 3-inch, like a flex cordless 3-inch would be a nice addition in the future as well. So got quite a bit of stuff here to try out and play with. We'll let it get charged up, and then we'll see what it's all about. And for now, let's see if these fit back there. No. Those out of the way, put that back, this goes in here. All right, so one thing to learn, this was not listed as included in the kit, so I ordered one, and clearly I didn't need it because it was actually included in the kit, which is a bummer. Have a great day.